Hey, my name is Ralph and I'm with Flexfilm, and I've got a quick tip video for you today, but this is a big tip, okay? This is a way that you can take these cars that come in. They come in with tinted windows from the factory, and the clients or customers want you to match them or just tint the sides to make it look like the back. But a lot of us don't worry about the back because they're already tinted. There's a lot of opportunity for us to make more money and us to help the customer on a higher level to give them more performance. So the first thing I recommend that you do is do what I did. Go buy you a piece of glass. I got this this was from a Chevrolet Silverado on the extended cab. You're gonna spend anywhere from $50 to $100. I think you could get it cheaper if you go to a junkyard. I just went to the dealership and got it, and here's what I got. Here's the glass. What I did first is I turned the glass over, and I tinted this half with NanoFlex 70. I left this half alone. I wanted it to be natural. So what I want to do is when we're talking to the customers about their existing factory tint, I want to relate to them. I want to connect with them, okay? I want to sell something to them on an emotional level because I don't think they'll understand it otherwise if we try to explain it. And that's where people kind of screw up here, okay? I want to be able to say, listen, I can make this real simple for you to decide if you want to do this, but I've got a heat lamp demonstration. And for this video, I put this heat card here because it kind of represents, you know, what we feel with our hand. It's the only way we can do a video where you can understand what I'm talking about. I'm going to literally take the piece of glass and say, this is what's in the back of your car now. I got this off a car like yours, and I want to put it here in front of the heat box, like this. Now, I want you to put your hand down here. And of course, the heat sheet will represent that. And I'm going to turn it on now. And I don't know, tell me when you start to see something. It takes a second. And see it starting to? Okay, that's pretty convincing that there's a lot of heat there. Then what I want to do is I want to move literally just move it over like this, where now I got the NanoFlex, the clear, where you can't even hardly tell it's even on there. Make sure the card's going away. I want to turn it on. I promise you guys, you can put your hand there, there's nothing. I mean, you can't feel hardly anything at all. We can sit here all day. And we want to ask the customer, do you want us to treat the rear windows on your car that are already tinted with this clear ceramic coating to give you this result? If you do, we would love to help you. This is the tip I want you guys to know. It's so important to demonstrate to these customers how you can help them on the highest level, how your ceramic product's going to benefit them. Use the glass that's in their car, show them what they're not getting, show them what they could have. This will change your life and it'll change your customer's life. Thank you for watching.